Welcome to the James Hargreaves Click and Collect site. This is a 3.5 minute video to show you how to place orders and manage your account. If you've already signed up for Click and Collect, then enter your login details and click on Login to access the site. If you haven't got a Click and Collect login, to apply for an account, click on Apply for Access and follow the application process. If it's your first time visiting the site, please check that your collection branch is your home branch. If it isn't, contact your local branch manager to get it changed. If you wish to place an order with a branch other than your local branch, then click into the collection branch box to select the alternate branch. On the landing page you will find a list of your most frequently purchased products, which you can browse and select from. To add a product to the basket, input the quantity and click Add to Basket. You can also use the search box at the top of the page to browse our range of products. A good search will typically include the manufacturer's name and the size of the product, but be careful with spelling. Here's another example of a good search and a bad one. If the search returns no results, check your spelling, try a different phrase, or by all means contact your branch manager for assistance using the phone number in the middle of the page. If your search returns multiple pages of results, use the arrow keys to move between pages. The site will give an indication whether the product is believed to be in stock or not. Be sure to wait for confirmation that your order is in stock before travelling to the branch. Where pricing terms have been set up for you and the items that you are viewing, a discounted price will be displayed. Otherwise, just the list price. To return to the home page at any time, click on the James Hargreaves logo in the top left hand corner of the page. To complete an order, click on the basket in the top right hand corner. Carefully review the products and quantities on your order. Before completing, enter a reference if required. Below that you can input any notes for the branch, such as the preferred collection time or price checks. Click to complete the order. Upon completion, your order will appear in the top left hand corner of the order history page. After completion, you will receive an email confirming your order is ready for collection, or you will receive a phone call regarding any potential shortages. Please do not travel to the branch before email confirmation that the order is ready. Other functionality is available from the menu list. Here you can click on Account, where past orders and quotations can be viewed. Back on the main menu is Staff Management. Within Staff Management you can add employees with or without visibility of prices or with full control of the account. A user with full control can remove other employees. This is our prototype Click and Collect solution. We will be listening to feedback from customers and looking to improve the site as time goes on. To log out of the site, click the menu and select Log Out.